Hello guys, and welcome back to Writing Practices. Today we'll explore how to write a professional resignation letter. Resigning from a job can be a bittersweet experience, but delivering a well-crafted resignation letter is a crucial step in maintaining professionalism and leaving on good terms. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through each section of the letter, explaining not only what to write, but also why it matters. Let's get started. Sender information. We begin with your personal details at the top of the letter. These include your full name, address, email, and phone number. For example, your full name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section ensures the recipient has your contact information, which is especially important if follow-up communication is needed. Always double-check that these details are accurate and up-to-date. Date. The next element is the date when you're writing the letter. For instance, March 23, 2025. Using the correct date ensures clarity about when you officially submitted your resignation. It's also a point of reference for your employer, particularly for tracking your notice period. Recipient details. Following the date include the recipient's details, such as their name, job title, and company address. Here's an example. Recipient's name. Recipient's job title. Company name. Company address. City, state, zip code. This format ensures the letter is appropriately addressed and reflects your professionalism. If you're unsure about the recipient's name, confirm it with HR or your manager. Subject. The subject line should be clear and concise, indicating the purpose of your letter. For example, subject, resignation letter. This straightforward subject immediately informs the recipient about the content of the letter, streamlining communication. Salutation. Next, greet the recipient with a polite salutation, such as, "Dear recipient's name." If you don't know the recipient's name, "Dear hiring manager," or "to whom it may concern," works fine. Politeness sets the tone for the entire letter. Opening paragraph. Announcing your resignation. In the opening paragraph, you announce your resignation and specify your last working day. For instance, "I am writing to formally resign from my position as your job title at company name. Effective your last working day, typically 2 weeks from the date of this letter." This paragraph is critical as it immediately informs your employer of your decision and provides a clear timeline for your departure. Being straightforward ensures there's no ambiguity about your intentions. Body paragraph 1. Expressing gratitude. In the first body paragraph, express your appreciation for the opportunity to work at the company. For example, "This decision was not made lightly, as I have greatly appreciated the opportunity to work with such a talented team and to contribute to specific mention of company or department accomplishments. My time at company name has been both rewarding and enriching, allowing me to grow professionally and personally." This section highlights your gratitude and leaves a positive impression. It shows respect for the organization and acknowledges its role in your professional journey. Body paragraph 2. Explaining the reason. Optional. The second body paragraph can include a brief explanation of your reason for resigning, if you feel comfortable sharing it. For instance, "The reason for my resignation is," briefly state your reason. If you wish, e.g., "to pursue a new opportunity," "for personal reasons," or "to focus on my family." While I am excited about the future, I will genuinely miss the supportive environment and the meaningful relationships I have built here. Sharing your reason can provide context, but it's not mandatory. Focus on maintaining a positive tone. Body paragraph 3. Offering assistance during the transition. In the third body paragraph, offer to assist during the transition period. For example, "During my remaining time at company name, I am committed to ensuring a smooth transition. I am happy to assist with training a replacement, transferring knowledge, or completing any outstanding tasks to the best of my ability." This demonstrates your professionalism and willingness to support the team, even as you depart. It also helps ensure a smoother transition for everyone involved. Closing paragraph. Thanking the employer. In the closing paragraph, thank your employer once again and express your best wishes for the company. For instance, "Thank you for the guidance, support, and trust you have shown me throughout my time here. I hope to stay in touch and wish company name continued success in all its endeavors. Please let me know if there is anything else I can do to assist during this period." This final note of gratitude leaves a lasting positive impression and reinforces your appreciation for the opportunity. Closing and signature. End the letter with a polite closing such as, "Sincerely, your full name." Make sure to include your full name, as this formalizes the letter and ensures it's complete. And that's how you write a professional resignation letter. This letter serves as your final impression at your workplace, so taking the time to craft it thoughtfully is essential. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through each step of the process. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Writing Practices.